In this video, we are going to do something different. I am going to make lots of trade based on a simple strategy in 5-second time frame, and we'll see how much balance we can grow. Currently, we have $88 in my account, and we'll try to increase it as much as possible. But sometimes what happens is, like, when we keep on trading, then from certain point, like from $500, from $1,000, we don't increase much. Again, we fall down to $200, and then again go back to $1,000. That kind of scenario also happens, and at that time you need to understand that you cannot grow this money today from that place, and you need to stop. Okay, so we are going to do that exact thing in this video, and we are going to increase this fund as much as we can in the 5-second trading time frame. So firstly, what I will do is I will make all of these currency pair favorite that has 92% payout, and then I will make the candlestick time frame as 5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And then if it is flag, make it clock, and then you can select S5 as a trading time frame. So your trade also be closed in the 5-second time frame. Then you can decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. So for this video's sake, we are going to make $50 per trade, and the strategy is extremely simple. See, there will be lots of currency pair at here because I'm going to make all of those favorite by making it yellow in this way. And then what I'm going to do is, so for example, I'm in this currency pair and I'll move to this currency pair, and so let's move to this currency pair and it is showing red. Now I'll go with opposite trade, okay, like clicking on higher. If it is red, then I'm going to click on lower. In that way, I'm going to make trades rapidly by switching the currency pair. And let's see how much we are going to increase this fund. Now I'll not talk, just watch the video until how much I can increase this fund.